Hello, my name is Aksa Abigail. Me and my friend will tell you about how computer works. So stay tuned. A computer is a machine composed of hardware and software components. A computer receives data through an input unit based on the instruction it is given. And after it processes the data, it sends it back through an output device. How did it come together to make the computer work? The input device of a computer can depend on the type of computer we are dealing with, but most typically we will find a mouse, keyboard, scanner, or even application software installed on the computer. Once the data has been resolved, the central processing unit (CPU), along with the help of the other components, takes over and processes the information it was given. So once the data is ready, it will send back through an output device which can be a monitor, speaker, printer, ports, or etc. Thank you.
When you hear PC, you probably envision an enclosed device with an attached video screen, keyboard, and some type of a pointing device, like a mouse or touchpad. You may also envision different forms of PCs, such as desktop computer, towers, and laptop. The term PC has been associated with certain brands such as Intel processor or Microsoft operating system. In this article, we define a PC as a more general computing device with these characteristics, designed for use by one person at a time, runs of operating system to interface between the user and the Microsoft processor, has certain common internal components described in this article like a CPU and RAM. Run software application designed for specific work or play activities, allow for adding and removing hardware or software needs.
My name is Angel Febranita Sambulangi. My register number is 201114. A computer is a digital information processing machine worked by changing information into binary number 1 or 0 and then using simple mathematics to make decisions about how to rearrange those numbers into word or action. A digital system stores and operates on information in a specific way by storing information in a bit or multiple collection of bits. A bit is a variable that can have only one of two values. It can either be 1 or 0. There are two main things to understanding the basic of how a computer works. The first, a computer takes and type of information, or not only numbers but also letter, word, and date, as if it's consistent simple of binary ones and zero. For example, of computer can translate letter A type into a string of 1 and 0, such as 1 0 0 0 0 0 1. One reason for this is that once it is in a binary form, the information can be stored and moved about more easily. On a hard disk, the ones could be stored as magnetic sponge on the disk, while the zero and can be stored as an magnetic spot. When information has been converted to ones and zero, the computers can get to work.
The second point to consider is that the computer functions are based on the movement and transformation of electrical pulses. representing ones or zeros in electrical circuit that decoded the zero and ones. By adding and subtracting them, these circuits are challenge the logic of the computer because the calculation they make are similar to simple logic decision. For example, if you press the icon on the computer keyboard, circuit inside the computer receive concept of electricity representing the n in binary form 100001. Thus parcels are sent to logic circuit that make yes or no decision based on the input they receive. A very simple example would be a circuit that determines whether the input sent to it is a 1 or the 0. The output of the circuit in a new piece of information, a binary 1 or 0, that is the result of the simple yes or no decision.
Hello everyone, introduce my name Andi Reski Cahyani Putri. Okay, along with the times, all activities carried out are made inside by various innovation carried, one of which is a computer. In the era of all technology it's today, the exchange of computer is very important. A computer is also an electronic device capable of carry out tasks, including receiving input, processing input according to the program, storing orders and processing results, and providing output in the form of information. Thank you.